In this video, we are going to create vnet to vnet connection. Before creating vnet to vnet connection, let's understand the architecture once again. We already used this architecture in multiple demos, and in the earlier demo, what we did, we built the site-to-site connectivity, right? Now, in this particular demo, what is that we're going to do? We will delete this site-to-site connectivity and we will build vnet to vnet connectivity. So let's get on the portal. First thing is that let's go to the VNG. All right. And let's make sure that we deleting those site-to-site connections. This is the first site-to-site connection and I am going to delete this connection. Okay. Similarly, let's go to the VNG on-premise connections. Let's click on the connection and let's make sure that we're deleting this connection. Let's go back to the home screen, VNG once again, and let's ensure that those connections are deleted. You can see that both the connections are deleted. Okay. So let's refresh, make sure that there is no connection, and let's see this VNG as well, that there is no connection, right? Let's go back to the VNG hub and add a connection, and this is what that vnet to vnet connection is. We already built site-to-site connection and we also did P2S connectivity, right? For demo, we are checking vnet to vnet connectivity. Now, the thing that you need to understand here, vnet to vnet connectivity is only applicable to the Azure virtual networks where VPN gateways are deployed. When you want to build the connectivity to on-prem, you definitely go with site-to-site or express route. Vnet to vnet connectivity is not applicable to the on-premise connection. Okay, the most important thing. Now, what we need to do to build this connection type? Yeah, we need to ensure that both the virtual network has VPN gateway. And if you remember our architecture, vnet on-premise and the vnet hub has a VPN gateway in it, right? So in this connection, we can say that, yeah, build a bidirectional connectivity. First connection is something hub to on-premise, that is the name that we have given, and then the second name is on-premise to hub, right? Indirectly, you're doing the same thing that we did in the site-to-site connection because it was more relevant to the Azure virtual network itself. But this is the kind of experience, that you have when you do vnet to vnet connection. Actually, from my perspective, there is no difference as such in this particular case. But the way that we build the connectivity is a bit different, right? Let's go to the setting. Here you choose the first VNG hub and you choose the second VNG, right? In this particular case, you're not basically making use of LNG. There is no LNG as such, right? And pre-shared key, and then again in this case as well, we are using a IKE v2. Rest of the things we can just keep as it is and say review and create. Validation pass and create this particular connection. Connection is created. Let's go to the resource group. Instead of resource group, I think we should go to the VNG once again. Click on the VNG, VNG hub. We go to the connection and here you can see that it is basically connected. And let's see in the VNG on premise, it is connected. This one is the earlier connection, which is getting cleared up. So we don't need to worry about that. It might take some time to, clear that connection, but this is what we see. So this is how you build the vnet to vnet connection.